her face? Is she giving?
What's that shit down? We out.
There she go again. There she go again. Anyways, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I've been up for 3 hours. Ma, you got some trees?
No.
Today I'm gonna show y'all my skincare routine. I mean, the skin is not looking fabulous, but she's looking better than she was looking before. So I started this skincare routine like 2-3 days ago. I woke up at 5 o'clock and I was editing the video at 6. I'm gonna put that boomerang in there because I was editing that video. I was editing the fuck out of that video, okay? It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Like, girl, what are you doing? I don't know. I just woke up and I was just like, I'm up. I gotta go work at 4 o'clock. I might take it up before I go. But this morning we doing skincare routine. Stop playing. But I don't be understanding how people, bro. Why y'all let me sit there for that long? I was on the phone with Nisha. It's not y'all fault. It's my fault because I was on the phone with Nisha. I don't even have what I need. Hold on, BRB. Can't sit up here the whole video, okay? But I'm sitting in a chair. Sit right here. Sit right here. I'm sitting in a chair. I got what I needed. I bought these exfoliating brushes off Amazon the other day. It's 4 in the pack. And we're gonna clean my face. We're sitting on a chair, by the way. I'm very lazy right now. I think I'm gonna go to sleep. I have 7 hours before I go to work, so I think I might take a nap. Hey, chicken nugget. What you doing? Alright, get down now. Thank you. We're gonna open this. What do you want? You know you don't want to get out because you don't want to be by yourself. Look how they look. They look like this. Which color should I use? Pick one. Pick one. The blue one? You so smart. So we're using the blue one because she picked the blue one, like she literally picked it. But yeah, I washed my face with. You'll be like, I'll be like, why do she? But we're not talking about it. But I washed my face with Dial soap. The bar. Wait, yeah, the bar. We're gonna open it. We're gonna open a new one. I used to open this. I used to open yesterday. So yeah, wash my face with Dial soap. Got these new brushes so I can wash my face with this soap. Oh my god, that is so soft. That's so soft. It feels so good. Okay, so wet the brush. Wet the brush and then just scrub it around. Whoa! What are you eating? She gotta get out. She gotta get out. Anyway, so wet the brush, get the bar, go like that. Okay, go like that. And then wet the brush again. And just scrub your face. Oh, it's not soft anymore. Oh. Ow. Ow. Hey y'all, this low-key kind of hurt. Low-key. Yeah, God. Ow. This shit hurt. And I take baking soda for my face too. The baking soda. Somebody commented under one of my videos and said, be careful with that baking soda. Putting it on your face. Like, you just want it to be seen. Be for real. But thanks though. But baking soda wet pad. And just, oh, you. So we just let that sit for a minute. And yeah. I'll be back when I'm about to wash it off. Alright, y'all, so we back. It's been like 10-15 minutes. I called my dad, I called my auntie, and we were just chit-chatting it up a storm. So yeah, let's wash this stuff off my face. So we gonna wash it with hot water. I wash my face with hot water. Yeah. Literally hot water. Alright? Okay. We gotta wait for the water to get hot, so I'm gonna come back when the water hot. Hey, y'all, we back. My auntie had called me just as the water's getting hot, so so yeah. It's still hot. Oh, it's still hot. Okay. So we finna rinse this stuff off my face. I don't cuss this much. I don't know why I've been cussing a lot lately. It's been pissing me off. It's been pissing me off for real. Is it off my face, y'all? I hope it is. Face. And I need to get my... I'm back. Okay. So we do that. And I had just bought the Cetaphil, but I don't put it directly on my face. I just put it on... I just came from under here, bro. Oh, they're right here. I just put it on a cotton ball. And literally like rub it on my face like a mask. But it's not a mask. It's a like daily facial cleanser. Like you're supposed to wash your face with it. But I use it as a mask. Sometimes. I use it for my forehead. Up here. Because I have a pimple up there. It was bigger yesterday. But when I did this yesterday, the pimple went down like really quick, and nobody noticed it at work. So that's good. I don't know which video it was. Let's wash this stuff off my face. Take the scrubber. This junk hurt for real. I don't recommend. There's a piece of hair somewhere. Oh, there it goes. Face is done. How do I look? I like how I look. I love how I look. I gotta brush these teeth. Nah, my teeth is a whole other different story. I do totally different stuff for my mouth area. Why? But, okay, toothbrush. Where's your place? Oh. Okay, toothbrush. We got Colgate and baking soda for the teeth and the lips. The lips. You have to brush the lips, especially if you brush your lips, bro. Brush your lips for real. Toothpaste, baking soda. Or onto the lips, and you just like, you have to just do it. Like, it'll make a big difference. Don't forget to do the outer parts too, and the sides. For real. It's on my nose. Delicious. You get that mouthwash. Look how my, like, this part of my face is dry and this part of my face got water in it. Be for real, come on now. Mouthwash tastes like peroxide. And I know what peroxide tastes like. Because I've brushed my teeth with peroxide before. Anyways, Pat. Oh. Alright, we're not done yet. So we take Neosporin, triple antibiotics, whatever you want to call it. We take it. And we put it on there. Every inch. Like, boom. The nose, under the eyes. Under the eyes and the cheeks are 2 different spots. So, make sure you get them. Okay? After you do that, rub it in. Duh! Get the lips too. Yeah. Yeah, get under the chin too, because you did wash that part. Okay? And just rub it like moist, like. Give your face a massage. Give your face a massage. And then the eyebrows and stuff, bro. Be for real, like. And like, now we're done. That's all. That is literally all. Like, look at the face. The skin might not be clear, but you know, it's like, that's fine. At least it's clean. At least it's clean, but the hair, bro, come on now. Okay, oh, that's the video I was gonna do. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all that.